Collaborating with other content creators is a great way to network and potentially grow your audience because you're in front of a new group of people that you may not be in front of on your own channel or own live streams. And this is even easier now with a Twitch feature called Guest Cam or on Streamlabs Collab Cam. Let's show how to set these up right now. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Adam, otherwise known as Bam Banana Man. In this video, we're going to go over how to set up both Twitch Guest Star and Streamlabs Collab Cam. I've used this feature on my own channel and brought guests in, but I've also been a guest on other channels, and what I've noticed is there's a spike in viewers when I have a guest on my stream, but I also notice a spike in viewers after I've been a guest on somebody else's stream, and then I go live and there tends to be a spike in well. At the end, I'm also going to go over why I prefer one over the other and the pros and cons. So let's get started by jumping onto the computer and setting up Twitch's Guest Star. To get started using the Twitch's feature Guest Star, you have to use Google Chrome as your browser, as it currently doesn't support Microsoft Edge, and I'm not too sure about the other ones such as Safari, Firefox, or whatever else you're browsing your interwebs on, but Google Chrome, it does work, so sign into Twitch and go to your creator dashboard. And once you're there, you may have Guest Star already as an option, but if not, hit the plus button here. Scroll down till you see Start Guest Star, hit Add, exit out of that, and now you should have the option of Start Guest Star. After that's added, go ahead and click Start Guest Star, which is kind of funny to say out loud. And after that's opened up, you should have a window that says Backstage Activity will be recorded for your safety. Just hit Got It once you're ready. And here you will have the options to change your camera, your microphone, invite the guest, get the browser source that you need for OBS or Slobs, whatever you use. So let's go ahead and get started by turning the camera to, actually I'm gonna leave it here because I like using OBS Virtual Cam. This way they can see what the stream sees without having a separate window. So leave that as that, change the microphone to whatever you need, and then copy that browser source, which we'll use in a couple seconds. Invite the guest that you wanna use. And once they've gone through the steps of getting ready, it should say ready and slot guest. And to slot the guest, you just click the button, send to the guest slot 1, and it should pop up with their webcam, and it's ready to go. Hi, there we go. Now we need to go into OBS or Streamlabs, whatever one you use. Okay. And once you're in OBS, go ahead and add a browser source. Call this guest cam. Okay. Copy that link that we have. Boom. And now you see that it's not popping up yet. You can go into the guest cam again and make sure to hit show on stream. Yes, push guest. Let's just make sure that they're ready to go. And now if we go back to OBS, here's the guest cam. You can resize it, do whatever you want with this. And yeah, that's basically it with the guest cam on Twitch. Pretty neat, pretty cool. Now, Streamlabs Collab Cam is also very easy to set up, and all you have to do is go into Streamlabs, add a new source, Collab Cam source, hit the add source, name it whatever you'd like. And from here, you can create a link and you just send this to them in a message. They can use their phone, any browser they want, and they don't have to be signed into anything. It'll just pull them in and they can type in a name for them. So once you send the link to them, you just kind of wait for them to do the similar thing that they did for guest cam, start the camera, come up with a name, and then they should pop up. And then hit start collab cam and you'll see that their name pops up. So this is collab, and you can show them on stream similar to Twitch guest star. And there you go. Easy as pie. Now, the one that I think is better is going to be the one that costs you $0, and that is Twitch's Guest Cam, and you get up to 5 guests. Where Streamlabs OBS, you get 1 guest for free, and if you want any more than that, you have to use the Prime account, which is $19 a month or $149 a year. But if you already use Streamlabs and use their Prime account, then I mean, go for Streamlabs. But I think the Twitch Guest Star is also better because you have it kind of protected with the guests that you invite. Like, they have to have a verified Twitch account, which is really good. However, if you want somebody that's not on Twitch to come onto your stream for like a podcast or something like that, then that's really nice for Streamlabs where they can just use a link instead, kind of like a Zoom call. But for me, Twitch Guest Star is just a little better because it's $0. From here, make it what you want by creating awesome scenes or channel points to go with the scenes and the collaborations, and just provide that awesome viewing experience. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to hippity tap that like button and subscribe to see more content like this. And bam, see you next time.